Infinity is hosting their charity event in collaboration with Hated Nation. The show will be happening on the 6th of December at Esselen Heights Primary School. This show will bring to you Sound Off, Show and Shine, and Limbo. Food stalls, entertainment for the kids, competition, and major prize giveaways. Basehead will be running the Sound Off on the day, catering for all categories in SPL and base boxing 1, 2, and 3. Our major sponsors are KRS, Signs and Customs, as well as Grab a Glass. So guys, remember, this show starts at 10 and ends at 8. For more inquiries, contact the number on the poster. There's something for the newcomers, bringing in new categories for the show and shine. Main media coverage for this event by Ricin. There would be food stalls, entertainment for the kids, and major prize giveaways.